Hi there, this is Dimitri from Demi-Circle.com, using the Demi-Circle to learn my natural notes on the guitar. Third string open, G. Every dot's a fret, so we're going to go 2 dots or 2 frets to A. Play long. G. 2 frets to A. 2 frets to B. 1 fret to C. 2 frets to D. 2 frets to E, 1 fret to F, 2 frets to G. Descending counterclockwise, 2 frets to F, 1 fret to E, 2 frets to D, 2 frets to C, 1 fret to B, 2 frets to A, and open G. So let's try the third string together. G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Descending, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G. Real slow, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Learn your natural notes and never guess again. The Natural Note Circle can be found at Demi-Circle.com. I'm Dimitri. See you soon.